Hello viewers, this is Ravi Magaluri. I am responsible for the digital services line of business. So, the reason for going to the cloud has been that it will bring improvement to the business, it will improve the business's digital aspirations, right. So, we have been talking about digital transformation, we have been talking about digital optimization, whatever those concerns are, they were all supposed to have begun getting addressed by going onto the cloud. So, now that we are on the cloud, if we have to take advantage of the cloud native architecture, if we have to take advantage of the services on the cloud such as machine learning and so on, to help customers launch new services, to help customers provide a better customer experience, to help customers provide empathetic experience to customers by taking advantage of machine learning and insights, people have to invariably write modern applications. So, if you have to write modern applications, we provide with the digital services platform of ours a life cycle of engagement. So, the life cycle starts from you have this early stage where we start looking at the architecture of the application, what ought to be the cloud native application architecture, how do I develop the application, how do I manage the process of developing the application. So, we have services here. So, likewise after that you will get into the minimum viable product, and once I get the minimum viable product, now I start looking for rapidly developing the features. Now, I will look for getting a immersive experience to my customers, and I will look for providing training and skill development for my employees on how to service those new how to deliver those new services. So, this is at stage 2. Then the stage 3 is what about I want to make sure that my application is performing all right. So, this is where I get into solutions like services like observability or full stack observability and site reliability as services. So, like this, from the launch of a service or from the design and conception of a service to the development of it and growth of it, and also finally to the maintenance of it into reliability, we've got you covered, the enterprise is covered, so that they can focus on their business. So, that is the benefit of 4.0 digital services vision for the enterprises.